Hi guys, I'm Asnith, and today I am going to be bringing you another video, but this is not a raw food video. As you can kind of see, I'm at the track, so I said I wanted to make some videos to bring my viewers some encouragement at times. So this is one of those times, guys. So I want to build upon a video that I talked about in the past about making the vision clear. All right, so this kind of builds upon it, although it's not in order as far as my age when it happened. Okay, so this lesson came when I was 11 years old. Back when I was 11 years old, they would have what was called a physical fitness competition. At this competition, all the schools would come together. So I was from Miami, Florida, and so they picked other schools from Miami-Dade County to come and compete at the track, the fastest girl and fastest guy. So it was like one girl, one guy per school. So I got to compete in that. Guys, I did pretty good. But when I got to the mile run, before I started that race, I knew I was going to win that race. But this is where I went wrong, guys. When I got in that race, I got so distracted. I was looking to my left. I was looking back. I was just so concerned with trying to gap everyone that I really was not focused on where I was going. And I could hear my coach at a distance saying, look ahead, run your fastest, look ahead. Because when I gapped people, I was like, you know what? I just wanted to do enough to win, but it was not necessarily my best. So when I got done, my coach pulled me aside and he was like, Asnith, he was like, you won the race. But he told me, you should have been competing with you and not those other people. He said, your time could have been so much faster today. He said, well, you were looking to the side, you were looking back. And he said, you may have had a gap. He said, but you're just the first heap. There's another heap of runners that's going to come. And he said, they're going to take the fastest time. And he said, so even though you might have won the race with them, that doesn't mean you won the race overall. So guys, that was like I really thought I did it, only to learn I didn't totally do it like I thought. So I watched the next race nervously. And there was this girl in the next race. And I mean, guys, she was running, she was focused, she was running, and she won, and she beat my time. But I want to tell you the lesson that my coach gave me that day, I never forgot it. Even though I got older, and it stayed with me. Now I have an even deeper revelation, because when, like now when I read my Bible, and sometimes I read verses, sometimes I'm able to connect the information even better. So guys, I wanted to bring you Proverbs 4 verse 25. It says, let thine eyes look right on, and let the eyelids look straight before you. All right, so what is in your hand to get done today? What is in your life to get done? Maybe it's in your personal life. Maybe it's at work, right? You want to remain focused and looking straight ahead. There's going to be things, there's going to be people, and I can tell you some of those things are nothing more than distraction. I mean, it just show up in different forms at times. But you got to pray. Ask God to help you with discernment. There are some battles that are just not worth fighting. There are some that you may have to challenge. But you want to make sure that you're looking straight ahead, guys. So I hope that this video encouraged you in some way. And until next time, have a great day, guys.